The Danvers community is shocked.
We come from like a small town and you would never think like something like this would ever happen.
They're angry.
He didn't grow up in Danvers, he's not from Danvers, and I don't want anyone to think it's a Danvers kid.
Scared.
I just don't feel right they're coming back to school tomorrow.
And speechless.
I literally lost like my breath when I heard like that they confirmed her name.
And who can blame them? This town was forever changed after Colleen Ritzer was murdered at Danvers High School, where she taught math.
I don't know how anyone could ever do something so horrible.
I don't even know what to say because it's just something that I would never expect.
Her 14-year-old student, Philip Chisholm, has been arrested for her murder.
When I was growing up, schools was a safe place to come and learn.
And don't think going back to school is going to be easy for any of these kids.
It's going to be different, like things will never be the same. She was a big part of Danvers High and will be, but it's just hard.
Of course it's hard, but this teacher won't be forgotten.
She was so full of life and she was so young. You know, she loved kids and she was so good to them.
She honestly was the sweetest person. I don't know, she'll be missed. Like, she touched a lot of hearts.
This is where this young teacher was killed. A memorial filled with flowers and candles is growing in her honor. Colleen Ritzer worked at the school for 2 years and will be remembered for her positive attitude. In Danvers, Erin Farley, WEBN.